In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove duplicate entries from your spreadsheet using the standard filter feature. Whether you're managing a small data set or a large one, this method will help you keep your information clean and organized. To start, open your spreadsheet application and navigate to the sheet containing your data. It's important to first identify and select your data range. If you're dealing with a large sheet, what you want to do is click and drag over the specific rows and columns where you suspect there might be duplicates. This ensures that your focus is only on the area you're interested in analyzing, rather than the entire spreadsheet, which could complicate things unnecessarily. Once your selection is made, your next step will be to move to the top menu. Here, you're looking for the Data tab. A simple click on Data will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to choose the option labeled Filter. Hover over it, and this will extend to show you another set of options. This time, select Standard Filter. Opening the Standard Filter dialog box brings you to the heart of this deduplication task. In this window, you need to specify which column you want the filter to focus on. Typically, duplicates will occur within a specific column, like email addresses, order numbers, or product IDs. Choose this column from the drop-down list provided within the dialog box. This directs the filter to pay attention only to the values within this column. Next, you'll need to adjust the condition settings. Within the same dialog, look for the condition drop-down and set it to equal. This is a crucial step as it tells the filter you're looking for matching entries based on the exact values. You might find other options here, but for the purpose of finding duplicates, equal is what you need to concentrate on. Once you've set the condition, you'll spot an option labeled No Duplications towards the bottom of the dialog box. Be sure to check this option. This instructs the filter to exclude any repeated entries from your final result, leaving you with a list stripped of duplications. Finally, initiate the filter process by clicking OK. This step signals the application to apply your chosen settings to your selected data range. The magic unfolds as your spreadsheet cleanses itself, displaying only those entries that meet your criteria. And there you have it, a crisp and clear list free from duplicates, polished and ready for further analysis or a presentation. By utilizing the standard filter feature in your spreadsheet tool, you're not just saving time, but also ensuring your data maintains its integrity. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide makes your data management a little bit easier.